Earth has a natural hum, often referred to as the Earth's hum, or the hum.
This low-frequency sound, which is not audible to the human ear, was discovered in the 1950s. Despite extensive research, the exact source of this hum remains elusive. Some theories suggest it could be the result of ocean waves, atmospheric turbulence, or even the vibrations of the Earth's crust. The intriguing part is that not everyone can perceive it, and those who do describe it as a continuous, low-frequency drone.
The Earth's hum adds an enigmatic layer to our understanding of the planet's subtle ongoing phenomena. Like and subscribe for more.